Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one in group training, and you can contact us through the number that is provided on our channel and also on this video. So you can WhatsApp us for training. So we are looking into real exam questions. Let's look into this. So the one that we are going to cover now is the Asher Way to Hewett Street. So let's look into this. Now this is a very important question because it has come in the exam a few times. So you need to pay more attention to this, and it's a good practice as well for your exam. So again, we have these 2 points, green and red. So we are traveling from green towards our red point. So we can see that where our points are. So let's zoom in. So where our point is, you can see it's one way. Anyway, we can't go this way because it's a one way. So we just click on this, come down here, just follow this, and then we'll come here. Come here, and we'll come out from here. Just avoid the sidelines, don't touch them, and then we'll go straight from here, and then we can go up from here and take a left. And then from here we can go up because we need to go towards the upside here, and we'll go straight. Now here we can go straight because this is the DLR line that's running on top of us, and then you turn left from here. From here, make sure you just go straight from here, don't need to go around this. So that's the most important thing, otherwise you lose your marks if you go around this. Okay, so just follow this. Follow this, and then we need to go towards the upside, so we turn this way, and then from here again we go straight. So don't worry about this one. Again, we'll just keep going straight from here, avoiding the side lines all the way up, staying on the left side and avoiding the side lines. Right, so just go straight, and we can see our point here anyway, so go straight from here, and then we can turn towards this side and come down, and then just click on this point. So this like I said, this question has come in exam quite a few times, so make sure you just practice that one. Yeah, so that's the most direct and straight route that we can see from here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.